So, hi everyone, I am Christy, and today I'm going to share a really entertaining and also easy to use AI tool for our daily lives. So, I know everyone have been using generative AI like ChatGPT or DeepSeek recently. However, today's AI tool is slightly different from generative AI, and it is called Teachable Machine, which was made by Google. So when we first click on the internet, let's search Teachable Machine here, and then we search for this. The first result came out should be the right one, so we can click on the Teachable Machine. So we have entered the starting page of Teachable Machine. So what is Teachable Machine? It allows us to teach the machine to help us classify different kinds of items. Which why I want to say that this AI tool is not only for academic use, but also making AI to use for our daily lives. So let's get started. So here are different projects here. Here are image project, audio project, and post project. So when you are using the machine, you can also choose the project that suits your purpose. So for today's example, I'm going to teach the machine to classify high calories food and low calories food for me. So I'm going to go for image project. So let me click here. We choose the standard image model. So here we enter the teachable machine. So here are three main parts of the machine. The first one here is different classes, as you can see. So these are the categories that the machine is going to learn from. And you can also add different classes by clicking the bottom here, so you can classify different items in more diverse categories. So the second part here is the training. So when you uploaded the examples for different categories, you click on train model. So the machine will start learning from the images and information that you have given. And lastly, here is a preview in which after you have trained a model, you can test whether the machine actually knows how to classify the things that you wanted to classify. So to begin with, for today's examples, as I have mentioned, I'm going to classify high calories food and low calories food. So here for the first class, I'm going to name this to high calories food. So when later the machine is learning, it could know that, oh, when it sees an image, this is high calories food. And the second one here, it is low calories food. So for these two categories, I'm going to teach the machine to classify food into these two categories for me. So to do that, I'm going to upload the images of the high calories food that I've downloaded online. So if you are using the machine and you want to use different images to classify different things to fit your purpose, you can also download the images online and upload them into one file so it will be easier to upload for the machine. So I've done this previously, so here I'm going to click upload and choose the files that I've already saved here. So this is high calories food, so I'm going to select all of the images here and click open. So they will be uploaded here as high calories food category. And I will do the same thing for low calories food, which is here, low calories food. And I also select all of the images and upload them here. So it will look like this here. For two categories, there are different examples for each of them. And you can also use webcam if you are trying to identify something from your camera. So you can use webcam. So for my example, I'm going to use the uploaded images here. So after we have uploaded images, we are going to train the machine by classifying these kinds of images and knowing how to classify them. So when we click on train model, it will learn from these categories. Okay, so it's now done here. So here are the high calories food and low calories food that it was classified by the machine. So here you can use webcam to, maybe you can show a food here, but today I'm going to use file here so I can upload the images of some kinds of dishes. So it would classify into high calories or low calories. So here I can click on another image here. For example, today I'm going to eat pasta for lunch. However, I'm not sure whether it's high calorie or low calorie. So I can click here, upload it here. So here, after learning from these kinds of categories and images, the machine is able to identify, okay, pasta, it is high calorie food. So for example, if I'm on diet, I should avoid high calories food. So by using this machine, I can know which kind of food I should avoid and which kind of food I should go for. So here you can see pasta, it was classified as high calorie food by the machine. So let's test one more. For example, today I want to eat full grain bread. So let's upload this picture. However, in the output, it also shows that it is 99% high calorie. However, it should not be, right? Because full grain bread should be low calories food. So why does it happen? The reason for that is because imagine that this machine, because it's trying to learn, right? So when people are trying to learn, we have to give as much examples, as much as images that we can to provide more information for it to learn, right? So as we can see here, the examples may not be enough for this machine to gather enough information for it to classify other food. So the solution we can use is when you are using this machine, you may also face similar situation where the output is not really accurate. So the solution for this is we can upload as much examples as we can. For example, I have only 19 image here for high calories and 11 image here for low calories food. So it's not enough, right? So we can upload maybe more than 25 images to make it provide more information for the machine to learn. So when you are using this machine, you can use this method by providing as much examples as you can to prevent from this situation that the output may not be accurate. And by providing more examples, the machine can learn faster and also more accurate when it comes to the output here. So after learning this machine, I hope you can know how to use it, how to combine technology to our daily lives, and how can we use AI tools not only for academic use, but also for daily uses. So I hope you all can learn something by knowing how to use this machine by watching this video, and thank you for watching.